Okay.
There, we're set.
Okay. Yes. Thank you so much. And I'm Daniela Simão, an assistant professor at the biology department from Federal University of Santa Maria, Brazil. I'm very happy to present Green Connections, a nature RX project in Brazil. These are the topics I'm going to share with you today: who and where we are, what we do, our project timeline, our results, our challenges, and our dreams. You are going to see some words in Portuguese in the next slides. This is our native language in Brazil. For instance, the previous slides, there was our Portuguese name, which is called Conexões Verdes. In this slide, we can see, oh no, the previous one, please. Thank you. This is our team. Besides me, we have these 3 lovely and engaged students who helped me with the project. Daniele Portela, Jamile Schlosser, and Laura Alves. We also have some occasional partners that help with the project. Where we are, Santa Maria is home to our university. It's a city in Rio Grande do Sul, the southernmost state of Brazil that share borders with other countries as Uruguay and Argentina. Next, please. The Federal University of Santa Maria is a public university funded by the federal government. These are pictures of our lovely university and the number of students, faculty, and staff. We have at our university undergraduate, graduate, technical and basic education programs, including kindergarten. Green Connection is an education project that develops activities to show the benefits of spending time in nature. We initiated developing well-being practice, such as meditation, yoga, and gardening at our green spots, in particular the UFSM Botanical Garden for the students. This year, we are expanding our public by conducting outreach events for the community at our botanical garden, as we can see in this picture. The academic unit that we have here, called Prograde, has provided fundings for our project. And to be part of this funding, our project must be aligned with the university's developed program and also the Sustainable Development Goals. Before I present our timeline, I would like to explain how a Nature RX project arrived in Brazil. In 2022, I was a visiting scholar at UC Davis, and I participated in a fall Nature RX series at the Arboretum and Public Garden. It was an amazing experience, and I didn't know about this wonderful universe of Nature RX project. So I started working with Stacy Park team and decided to bring some activities of Nature RX to Brazil with, of course, their available help. So when I returned, I applied for the fundings, and we began our activities in May. And this year was the same. We had to stop the activities in December, and then we started again in May. In the next slides, I'm going to show some of our main results. Next, please. These are our main results. Last year, we had 12 sessions for the undergrad and graduate students. We had around 100 participants and 10 guest lecturers. Some of these guest lecturers were the students, some community members, and also members of our team. We always invite people who love what they do, as my mentor, Stacy Parkey, taught me. And this has been very nice to do. On these tours depicted in these pictures, we visit the botanical garden and a university nursery and flower shop that we have here. Another thing that we have done during these sections, we ask the participants to write down their feelings before and after each session. The most common pre-session words were stressed, anxious, tired, and unmotivated, while the most common post-session words were happy, relaxed, inspired, and connections. In these pictures, we also can see some activities we have in last year as well. These included gardening with succulent plants and kokedamas, the most popular ones that we have, painting eco bags, watercolor classes, yoga and self-care sessions, origami, and also meditation and learning about the benefits of essential oils. Next, please. Last year, we also developed an Instagram profile to promote the sessions. We also developed cards and brochures for most of the sessions. Another good result was that last year, the students who got the scholarships presented 2 works at a local congress. Next, please. This year was very challenging for us, especially because we had here a historical flooding at our estate. So we have to invest in online activities. We also had a long strike here at the university, so many spots were closed, and we had to invest in these online activities. We developed an Instagram web series named Connection Thursday, where every week we share a simple tip to connect with nature. The idea is to continue with this series until the end of the year, and then compile the most popular on a brochures. So we share very simple tips, for example, breathe, relax, do a picnic. Next, please. This year, we also have initiated the promotion of our project through various events at the Botanical Garden. For instance, we were at the Descubra. It's a significant event that provides high school students with access to the university labs, units. We also have Viva o Campus, which is a monthly event that opened the university to the community on Sundays. In these opportunities, we have shared with all the visitors some benefits of being in contact with nature, and we promote some relaxing activities for children, adults, for example, coloring some mandalas. We also elaborate some stickers with the name of the project so we can promote. And also a survey asking these visitors how they can be connected to nature, so they can share with us all these tips. These experiences have proven to be quite engaging as well. As with any project, we have our own challenges. The first one, I think, is the lower engagement of students along with staff and faculty in activities that are not part of their regular routines, for example, their classes, their lab researches. The second is the short-term scholarship. So the students, when the year ends, the students move on to another project and we have to stop the activities and wait for next year. And the third, I think this is global. The weather here in Santa Maria in the last 2 years, it's not good. And also finding an available spot at the university. But next, we have an exciting present and future ahead of us. I keep trying to engage new participants at our university, especially the health and counseling academic units that work more closely with the students. I'm so happy to be here today sharing our results with Campus Nature Rx, and more importantly, learning from so many wonderful experiences. I would like to expand the activities with my colleagues, with the community, to develop courses and seminars for first-year students to connect more with UC Davis, Arboretum and Public Garden, and other institutions, and a lot of good work. To finish, I would like to express my deep gratitude to all the institutions, including my own from Brazil, and also UC Davis for their remarkable contributions that have helped me start this pilot project here in Brazil. And next, thank you so much. And as we say here, muito obrigada. Thank you.